What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Jessica. If you don't know that already, I am a mother of 3 and also a beauty lover, of course. So a couple of things before we get today's video started. Background. Again, it was too black. I like wearing my black shirts. So the last video that I filmed and I had the black shirt on, it made the video look so dark. So I switched it up again, which more than likely be the last time that I will switch it up. There's a hole in my wall right here, so I have Nikita's little picture from when she first launched her brand. I bought the little egg, you know, the powder and stuff. And then so I kept this picture, so it's covering a hole in my wall. Today's video, we have another challenge. Like, all of these makeup brands are out here challenging me, and bitch, I accept your challenge. So as you can see by the title, we have Plouise's 10K challenge. So this is the look, right? So the challenge is you need to get 10,000 likes on your recreation video. So you're supposed to make the recreation video on TikTok and then upload it onto Instagram. And whoever hits 10,000 likes wins the full Plouise collection. Are you... I have never, ever gotten 10,000 likes on anything. Not TikTok, not Instagram, not YouTube, nothing. I've never gotten 10,000 likes. I have never gotten 10,000 likes on any of my social media channels, but bitch, I am rising to the occasion, and I really hope that all of the people who really like my content, I really hope that you guys will rise to the occasion with me and, you know, like, comment, and share so I can win. And if I win Plouise's full collection, I do have so many Plouise products already. So the stuff that I already have, I would love to give away to my followers. So if you guys want to win some goodies, then I need to win some goodies too. So I'm going to try to link my entry into this video. So if you could please go to my Instagram and like my entry, I would be so forever grateful to win this Plouise challenge. But if you don't really give a shit about that and you just are here for the tutorial, then I got you. This is the look we are doing. Let's jump right on in. Okay, so I'm going in with my Plouise base in the shade Rumor number 2, as I always do. Okay, now I'm going to take my Plouise Basic Brights, and this blue one is in Bangin' Blue, and this pink one is in Poppin' Pink. And I'm going to go ahead and make a cut crease out of those two colors. I super need to wash all of my makeup brushes. Look at that. These are all my dirty brushes. Alright, so now I'm going to be taking 2 palettes. The very first one I'm going to be taking is my Carnival XL Pro palette, of course. So I'm going to start by taking Mood and Reckless. So I'm going to take, obviously, Mood on this side and then Reckless on this side. Next, I'm going to take the shade Making Waves. So yes, now taking Soft Spot. I don't know where that accent came from. Now we're going to start blending out this maroon. I'm going to take Influence. Next, I'm going to take the shade Funky. So I'm just going to very lightly, back and forth sweeper motions. And you see it kind of takes some of that blend away. So that's why we always go back, and that's why I always go back and build up my colors, because as you can see, it's not as well blended as it was when I had my colors on the first time. So I'm going to be taking my Made by Mitchell Head in the Clouds palette, and I'm going to take Lucid and Bora Blue. I'm going to take a little bit of Lucid starting off, because blue and pink make purple. This is just going to help it blend. And now I'm going to take Sunburn and Bora Blue. Those are all of the colors that we're going to be using to blend this. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to go through all of my colors and deepen it and just reblend everything. So now I'm going to go ahead and cut out my crease using Vaseline. And now I'm going to take my Plouise base, but this one is in Rumor Number 1, so it's just a little bit lighter. And I'm going to go ahead and apply it right here, but it doesn't need to go all the way down to my lid because I'm going to go in with black liner to cover it up, so it's not really... Okay, so now I'm going to take the white Walter out of my Made by Mitchell palette, and I'm going to go ahead and lay this down right. So now I'm going to go in with my Inglot number 77 gel liner and do this portion. Alright, so I'm gonna leave it just about there. They're not exactly symmetrical, but bitch, I'm not a magician, alright? So what we're gonna do now, actually, so now I'm gonna take some of my Plouise blank canvas, of course, and then I'm just gonna go ahead and do this. So it doesn't have to be perfect because I am going in with more shadows, but that's just the gist of it, you know, just get it laid down. Going back into my Carnival palette, I'm actually going to take the shade Hall. I'm going to take the shade Hall, and I'm going to take the shade Slow Burn, kind of drifted a frame there, so Hall and Slow Burn, and I'm going to use these shades to blend this in here. And now going into my Head in the Clouds palette, I'm going to take this shade right here, which is called Dawn. That's such a beautiful cream shade. It doesn't have to be perfect because I'm going to cover it up a little bit anyways. So now I'm going to go into Lights Out, which is the black in the Carnival palette. And I am going to just deepen these edges and make sure that the liner and the brown meet perfectly. So now I'm going to go into Better Days, which is the yellow shimmer. And at first I'm going to take it on a brush so I can get it close to that liner. But then I'm just going to take just a little smidge bit on my finger and just press it in right in the middle. Just look at how much more vibrant that is already. Now I'm going to take my Huda Beauty Duo Liner. I'm not really too big of a fan of this liner, to be honest. So I'm just trying to use it up. I mean, the pencil side is pretty good, but I mean, I have other ones I prefer more. So I'm just gonna outline the black liner just to make sure that it's not gonna go nowhere. Really happy with that. I mean, it's not the greatest, but you know, not everything can be perfect. So I am just going to quit while I'm ahead. I'm gonna go ahead and do my face, and we can come back and finish off the eyes. All right. So we are going to do this eye like bitch. Okay, but just real quick, look how flawless my skin looks. Full face tutorial will be coming soon, not in this video, but it will be obviously not in this video, it's already done. As you can see, I have gems on this side, so I'm gonna go ahead and apply. These are just nail art gems that I got off Amazon, so I'm just gonna take these white ones on this side. So I'm gonna go ahead and glue those along this, and then I don't know if you could see, so this kind of smeared. I'm gonna fix that up, but otherwise I think it looks really, really good still, so I'm really happy with how this came out. Okay, so now I'm going to take my Huda Beauty Duo Ended Liner. My son is crying because he can't get into my drawers because my leg is blocking it. So I promise he's okay. He's angry. But I'm going to take the pencil side. Okay, so now I'm going to go in with Lights Out. And I'm just going to try to... Here. Now will you shush? Will you shush your shusher now? Zoom a little bit. So now I'm going to go into the shade Hall, which is the darker brown that we used on top. And I am just going to blend this beach out. Okay, so now I'm going to take the shade Basic, but I can't lift it up because I'm utilizing all the hands I have right now. So I'm taking the shade Basic out of my Carnival XL Pro palette, which is just a lighter transition shade. And I am just going to use this to further smudge this out. So that's it for the eyeshadow portion. So for my lashes, I'm going to be going in with the Cavalli lashes in the style Teddy, which look like this. So I'm going to go ahead and apply my lash and apply my lip, which you would have already seen, but I'm not sure yet. And then we can come back and see the completed look. Alright, so here is the completed look. Okay, I just wanted to mention my lip combo really quickly. So I went in with my LA Girl lip liner in Natural, and then my Huda Beauty Wifey liquid lipstick, and then Bitch. I went in with this on top. So this is the Maybelline Lifter Gloss. It has hyaluronic acid. So pretty. I'm definitely going to go and pick up more colors of these. But this one is in Amber. So I'm really, really happy with how everything has came out. Yeah. So I really hope that you guys enjoyed today's tutorial. Definitely don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos, of course. And without further ado, we're going to go ahead and roll the clip.